Every gardener knows the heartbreak of struggling soil. You put in the work, plant with care, and yet the ground feels lifeless, compacted, or just too poor to support real growth. Here's the good news. There is one plant that has been trusted for centuries to breathe life back into tired soil. This plant doesn't just survive in poor conditions, it actively repairs them. The moment you understand how it works, you'll realize why every garden, no matter the size, should make space for it. Today we're talking about clover, a humble but powerful plant that quietly transforms even the worst soil into fertile, living earth. Clover has the unique ability to fix nitrogen. The biggest reason clover is a soil-restoring champion is its ability to take nitrogen from the air and convert it into a form plants can use. Most plants are stuck relying on whatever nitrogen happens to be in the soil, which is often depleted after a growing season. Clover, however, partners with specific bacteria in its root nodules to pull nitrogen directly from the atmosphere. Over time, this not only feeds the clover itself but enriches the surrounding soil with one of the most critical nutrients for plant growth. When you see a patch of clover thriving, you're looking at nature's fertilizer factory working day and night. Clover improves soil structure and prevents compaction. Bad soil is often heavy, compacted, and lacking airflow. Clover's root system goes a long way toward fixing this problem. Its roots penetrate deep and wide, creating channels that allow air and water to move more freely through the soil. This doesn't just help clover, it helps every plant around it. When clover is grown as a cover crop, those roots loosen the soil, making it easier for vegetables, herbs, and flowers to establish themselves. Over time, compacted ground softens, and the structure of the soil becomes crumbly, living, and full of life. Another overlooked benefit of clover is how effectively it shields the soil. Bare soil is a recipe for erosion, moisture loss, and a quick invasion of weeds. Clover acts as a living mulch, spreading quickly to cover open spaces and forming a protective green carpet. This carpet locks in soil moisture, prevents erosion from wind and rain, and outcompetes many common weeds. Instead of fighting dandelions or crabgrass, you can let clover do the work of keeping your garden spaces clean and manageable. Clover attracts pollinators and beneficial insects. Healthy soil is just one part of a thriving garden, the other is a vibrant ecosystem of insects and pollinators. Clover blooms with small, nectar-rich flowers that bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects can't resist. By planting clover, you're not only improving your soil but also creating a habitat that supports pollination and natural pest control. Stronger pollination means better harvests, and a healthy insect balance means fewer problems with pests. All of this stems from a plant many people dismiss as a simple lawn weed. Clover is adaptable and easy to grow. What makes clover even more valuable is how undemanding it is. It grows in poor soils, requires minimal watering once established, and tolerates mowing or trimming. You can sow it as a full cover crop over a garden bed, tuck it between rows of vegetables, or let it spread in pathways. White clover is the most common choice for gardeners, while crimson clover is often used for seasonal cover cropping. No matter which variety you choose, clover is both affordable and reliable, making it one of the easiest soil solutions to put into practice. The bottom line is that clover turns bad soil into living soil. If your garden has been struggling with poor fertility, compaction, or weed problems, clover is the answer you've been overlooking. Its ability to fix nitrogen, improve soil texture, protect the surface, and invite beneficial insects makes it a powerhouse plant that works quietly in the background while you focus on your main crops. Gardeners who integrate clover into their growing systems often see steady improvements season after season, proving that this plant truly deserves a permanent place in every garden. If you're ready to take your soil from tired to thriving, start with clover. And if this guide helped you, be sure to subscribe to Botanical Bliss and share this video with your fellow gardeners. Together, we can spread the word about natural, time-tested solutions that restore the soil and keep our gardens abundant.